You are going to love the 2016 M6. M, the most powerful letter in the universe. This barely street-legal M6 is filled with the power usually reserved for the racetrack and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.